I remember when, being in the courthouse, every single attorney had to use payphones in order to call their office to let them know what was going on with a particular case. And now, you don't see any payphones at all in any courthouse. You want to learn more? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. When I began my legal career, I would be in court every single day. Why? Because I had to attend certain conferences to let the court know what was going on with each and every case. Now back then, there were no cell phones, there were no smartphones. Nobody had invented them yet. So how did we communicate with our clients and with our office? The answer was that there were payphones in every single courthouse in New York, in the Bronx, in Brooklyn, in Manhattan. Everywhere you went, there were payphones, not just one or two, but entire banks, an entire wall filled with payphones. And not just the payphones on a wall, but these were payphones that had booths, where now you had to open the door, physically go into the booth. In order to go in, then you had to close the door. That was fascinating, right? It was just like seeing a Superman movie. But that's exactly what was in every single courthouse. And over the course of time, as cell phones became more prevalent and more easy, and everybody wound up having one, guess what? Nobody used the payphones anymore. So over the course of many years, all those payphones that you saw were ripped out because not a single person was using them. Why do I share this great information with you? Because it's a quick observation I made the last time I was in court. I was in the same room where they had tons and tons of payphones, and now you wouldn't even see a single one. Instead, everybody's on their smartphone, they're texting their office, letting them know what's going on in their particular case. Just a quick tidbit of information to give you an insight into what goes on behind the scenes in an attorney's life when they go into court each and every day. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.